All right, so I'm super excited about this. This is a piece of art that I commissioned from a friend at Derailed Art on YouTube. You can look him up. And I'm pretty excited about it. He did a video of him making this piece of art. And I haven't opened it, obviously. This is a little cool, I think it's an S. Very cool. I like it. Or a character. Anyway, it's really cool. He's a resin guy. This Total Boat is a type of resin that's very popular with resin artists. I don't know if he's a resin artist. I haven't seen any resin stuff on his channel, but I will ask him when I let him know that I got this package. Be very careful opening it up. Do not want to damage anything inside. He said he was going to send me some stickers and some pins, which I'm actually pretty excited about, because I didn't even know that pin trading was a thing. Oh, it's like a Russian nesting doll. Oh, look at it. So cool. I will be sending him some cool stuff back that I have. This is my first ever official sticker trade. Oh, that's really cool. Come on, little buddy. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's so cool. Now, of course, I'm going to have to get into making pins, but very cool. You can see the pin. Very cool. So we've got a bunch of stickers. And we have a nail. That's awesome. I'm going to have to do something with this. Definitely. That's really cool. It's just a nail, but of course, it's cool. So, what I'm thinking of immediately is a little voodoo doll with this nail in him. That would be cool. So we'll have to work on that. And we've got some stickers. Very cool stickers. Hollow. Montana. Very awesome. Oh, those are cool. Oh, there's a hand drawn. Hello, my name is. Those are cool. Oh, that's cool. Goes with the other one. It's an interesting little hollow pyro. Very cool. Oh, hello. Oh, that one's cool. Wow, he sent me a lot of stickers. I'm going to have to get busy. I have like 2 stickers. That's CDC Crew. R again. Very cool. Oh, I love these hand-drawn ones. They're so cool. Very cool. So he did a video where he was going to do my name, and he wrote down Wiz, and then he wrote on the paper When, W-H-E-N, and he kept doing the whole video, And it was like, why are you doing when? You wrote down Wiz. But he went through the whole thing, and when he got here, he was like, oh shit, I'm doing the wrong name. And he kind of had to, backtrack a little bit and, change the letters. So it actually came out pretty cool, thinking that he wrote down this was an N originally, and he pulled it out to be a Z, so that's pretty cool. And then I asked him to do me an actual piece, and I would pay him for it because I really like his style. It's very interesting, and I like his channel. He does some interesting videos. He's fun to watch. So I had him do me a piece, and there's a video of it on his channel if you want to see it. I'm seeing it in person for the first time, but I did see it on his channel. I'm excited to get it, and I'll probably do a video. I'm going to mount it. I have an 8x10 cradled panel that I'm going to mount it on so that I can hang it on the wall. But this is my very first sticker trade and commissioned graffiti piece. I'm pretty excited about it. Oh, signed on the back. Very cool. Without further ado, there it is. That is really cool. Very excited to get this. Watching him draw it in real time was pretty awesome. And that is just a really neat piece. Very excited. So stay tuned for the next video where I will be showing how I mount it and place it on the wall in a place of high honor, deserving of the piece that it is. Oh, and check out my rocket ship that I made. Pretty proud of that. It's going to go on a birdhouse. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.